Good morning. This is Nathan David with Allendale's Morning Wake Up Call. Today is Monday, November 13th. So far here in the overnight session, grains are quiet with beans up slightly, corn relatively flat here, and wheat down slightly on low volume and not a lot of news as well. So hopping over into the corn side of things, we're down a penny here to 463 in December. We made a new yearly low last week as we limped into the close, trading at 461 and 3/4 intraday there on Friday, violating that previous trading range. We were in, we're kind of opening up that continued slow grind lower. So this market looks really as if it needs to continue to grind lower to really kind of find those large potential purchase orders there from players like China. So we've noticed a pickup recently in export sales, but still we have a large pile of corn and really not enough demand, which does suggest a lower economic value here on the corn side of things as well. So shifting gears over to those beans. They're up a nickel right now to 13.52. We saw a stronger close out of the beans on Friday. They did hold the intraday report low on Thursday, which comes into play at 13.36 on that January contract. So held that low on Friday and did see a little bit of a rally into the close. So and really, even with an added 20 million bushels in carry out here off that report, we do continue to see South American weather concerns, and as well as some decent export sales. And I think that can definitely certainly justify current price levels, or maybe even be supportive to a little bit more of a rally with that previous resistance up there around 1380, 1385. So interesting to see if we test that this week. Beans also continue really to rally along with the meal. So which it continues to show strength, even really as it's, kind of looking a little bit technically overbought here on the charts. We'll really get to see probably as we make it to the end of the month if that rumor of Argentina kind of running out of beans for crush is something that truly happens, and where that takes this price as well. So quickly hopping over into the livestock here, taking a look at both cattle and feeders. They did continue to see some pressure last week. They did have a very steady but lower close printed on Friday. We do have a cattle on feed report also dropping here this Friday, and estimates for that report do look to be a touch bearish, with another increase in placements. Taking a look at similar year studies to the previous 2014 rally, where we did get the blow off top up there. Following a similar move to that implies that we may be near a short-term bottom, or at least consolidation pattern, roughly about $6 to $7 lower from here. While cash also continues to falter. Really no doubt, though, that the sell-off and liquidation has been started and continued here by the board. So we'll get some CFTC data today at the close, and that will give us a little bit of clarity as to if the funds are continuing to liquidate longs and kind of exacerbating this issue here on the board. So this is Monday's wake-up call, and make sure to tune in for Tuesday's wake-up call.